Hey guys, and welcome back to SBB101. Today's video is going to be a quick and simple and straight to it morning routine for my moms or my really busy ladies that don't have a lot of time in the mornings, or anytime they want to get ready. You don't have a lot of time to do it. I just decided to create a small series where I use a small amount of products to get the best face I could. This is just a really nice basic canvas. You can also obviously change the lip, add mascara, add lashes, do an eyeshadow look, but this is just your go-to kind of base where you can go and take it off and do whatever you want with it. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to like and comment. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm first going in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer all over my face. This helps keep my oils at bay, doesn't get me too oily, and it kind of gives me like a nice seamless base to apply my foundation to. If you'd like to see what I applied to my skin before, I will have that video linked in this video in the iCards as well. So for foundation, I'm going in with the KVD Beauty Good Apple foundation. It's the foundation Balm. I use the shade 072, and I'm using this e.l.f. stippling brush. It works amazing. I really think the brush really makes this application really well, work out really well. I just tap it in a little bit, dot it over my face, and blend it, and it looks seamless. It looks like skin. And lately I've been really leaning towards my stippling brushes because they've really been giving me that flawless look without having to apply a tremendous amount of foundation onto my face. So I'm showing you the before and after, and I'm gonna just apply the rest to my entire face. Excuse my baby, he's on the outside of my door trying to get in because he doesn't want to go to sleep. Or my 1-year-old, I should say. He's not a baby anymore. So I'm just applying that to my entire face, and I'm honestly using the smallest amount of foundation, as you can see, and it's just blending in smoothly and seamlessly with the brush. So now for concealer, I'm going in again with KVD Beauty, and this is their Good Apple Concealer. It's a medium full coverage. I believe the shade I use is 072. I'll have it linked down below correctly. And I'm gonna blend that in with my fingers today. I don't always do this. A lot of the time I use a sponge because I prefer a sponge, but today I felt like using my fingers. It just really melted it into the skin. So now, I forgot what this palette is called, but it has a setting powder, a bronzer, and a contour. I'm just gonna use the setting powder to set my under eye area with a flat foundation brush, and then I'm also going to contour and bronze with this same palette. My kid is definitely knocking the door stopper. Woosah, to be a mom of 4, it's a lot. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, to set my entire face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation Powder. This is the shade 400. I'm using a very big, fluffy powder foundation brush, and this brush is from Quo Beauty. That is a Shoppers Drug Mart brand here in Canada. For highlight, I'm using an older highlighter. This is the shade Soul. It's from e.l.f. and it's from their Retro Paradise collection. With that e.l.f. found brush, I'm just gonna apply that to my face, and it really gives like a nice light pink glittery highlight to the face. Nothing too serious, but I really love it. It's so cute. I wish they would bring this back, or some of the products from this collection back. Now for lips, I'm using the ColourPop lip liner in the shade Petal Please. No, I lied. BFF3, another shade that I can almost never find. So frustrating. At this point, I'm switching over to NYX lip liners, and this shade is also from ColourPop. It's their Luxe Velvet. Don't remember the shade, but I have it linked down below, and as you can see, this surprised my face. Forgot how beautiful that shade was. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm loving it. It's just been one of my go-to makeup looks. Like, honestly, this is like my second or third time doing it, but this is one of my go-to looks. I've been trying to create simple and easy and quick looks that I can do, whether it quickly in the morning, or if I have to quickly go somewhere, I'm on the floor, so sometimes it's really difficult to like have that full 30 to 40 minutes or an hour to just sit and dedicate to face, hair, and outfit. So I've just been trying to create looks with quality products and tools that still give you that flawless, amazing look without breaking the bank or simply without using too many products. So how do you guys think I did? It's really flawless. I'm really liking it. And I know a really good dupe for the KVD Good Apple Foundation. I wear the shade Tan 072, and a really good dupe is the Ruby Kisses one. I haven't used it since college, so I'm gonna have to go to the hair store and pick it up and see which one is my shade. And I will come back and do another video, but that is a really good dupe for this one, because this one's like 50-60 bucks. And if you want to kind of save, I would definitely suggest to use that one instead. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, make sure you're subscribed, follow me on all my socials. That's Pinterest, LTK, Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.